How to use color cubes in quilting. Have you ever bought beautiful fabric and then completely froze when it was time to choose coordinating colors for it? Today I'm going to show you how I use the color cubes to confidently choose colors for my projects. What are the color cubes? The first set of color cubes were released in 2022 and contained 2 volumes. In 2025, Sarah Renae Clark re-engineered the original color cubes and added 2 more volumes. These cards are organized by theme and color relationship. Each card contains 5 to 6 colors. Let me show you. I'm pulling out the first section in Cube 1, which is called Enchanting Landscapes. This divider card serves to show you what cards are contained within that particular set. And if you turn it over, you see all of the cards, which is very helpful. The excitement begins when you turn the card over. The numbers listed are hex codes, which are the same color codes you will see on computers. The 3 colors on the right-hand side represent the color in the center, the shade when white is added on the left, and the shade when black is added on the right. Color cubes are so helpful for quilters who get stuck in color indecision. They're not just for graphic designers or artists. I love them for times I get stuck on colors that I struggle with, like brown or orange. Why quilters struggle with color? Quilters tend to struggle with color for a few different reasons. You don't have confidence in your choices. You buy random fabric without a plan to use it. You choose too many bold prints. You do not have enough contrast between fabrics. Everything looks great individually, but not once you put the fabrics together. Color confidence is a skill that you will develop over time. In order to gain color confidence, you need to choose yardage over pre-cuts because pre-cuts are already color coordinated. Tools like the color cubes make choosing fabric colors easier and more structured. How to use the color cubes for quilting. Choose a starting point. Choose a card that makes you happy and has colors on it you like. Shop from your stash first to select your fabrics that match the best you can. A light tone could replace a medium or dark tone and vice versa. It doesn't have to match exactly what is on the card. Value. This is an example of a fabric pull with value. 3 different blue tones, all different values. So my light, my medium, and my dark. Card 242. This very pretty selection of colors. These fabrics just came in a bundle for a quilting challenge I'm doing, and it's amazing how close they are to the colors on the card. I just had to add the ice blue fabric to create the palette. How to build a fabric pull. Card number 189. I'm a tulip girl, and I love all the colors in this, despite not being a pink girl. Exact color matching is not required since I am pulling from my stash. Balance is way more important than perfection. So here is the color palette that I chose. It's pretty close. Choosing colors for my next quilt. I chose card 14, and these colors are right up my alley. All colors do not match exactly, but it's close enough. I could also replace the medium gray with the dove gray to give more of a contrast between these colors. Common mistakes when using color tools. Do not ignore value, your light, medium, and dark. Color does not need to match perfectly, but aim for color harmony instead. Do not overthink it like I do. Do not forget about your background fabric. Background fabric should contrast with the other fabrics pulled. In my next color cubes video, I will share my finished project made with card number 14, as well as pull a color card and fabrics for my next project. Do you struggle with choosing colors for your quilt projects? Would you like more color help for quilting? Make sure you subscribe so you won't miss any of my quilting videos. Thanks for watching. See you soon.